channel. My name is Candace, formerly known as Diamond Candy TV if you are new here. And if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. Today I'm going to be trying a new product on my hair. One of my curl friends on Instagram posted a mini review on her Instagram story about the Texture ID foaming, what is it called? Foaming lotion or whatever, and she used it for her wash and go. Her curls now, I'm going to show her. Her curls are a little bit different than mine. They're a little bit, I don't know what the term would be, but her hair is like super curly. Beautiful hair, and I'm just curious to see if it will work on my hair. If you guys know, I just posted a video about my haircut, so I'm super excited about trying new products. So I'm trying to get these videos out while I still am feeling my hair. So let's get started. So first off, my hair is freshly washed. In order to shampoo it, I use the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free shampoo. To condition, I used the Texture ID Coils Detangling Conditioner. And finally, to deep condition, I used the Texture ID Coils Self-Heating Coil Conditioning Mask. It was actually my first time using those Texture ID products, and they worked really good. So far, so good. We're gonna see, you know, what it's looking like under here. So I always put my hair under a microfiber towel. This one is from Diva Curl. But the only thing I'm about to use from Diva Curl at this moment, because they got some stuff going on and I don't even know what it is, but I don't want to take any part in it. So my hair is in 4 twists, and this is usually how I start my hair off, in 4 different sections. So I'm just gonna start with the back section and get started. So this is what my hair is looking like with no product on it, and because I didn't want to go in with just the styling foam, I also picked up, well, I already had it at home, the Texture ID styling cream. So I'm going to apply that too with some water, and then go in with the Texture ID thermal multi-styling foam. And just so you guys know, the styling foam says that it strengthens and protects hair from breakage and improves shine and elasticity. And as far as the directions, it says to dispense 2 to 3 pumps and distribute evenly through clean, damp hair, air dry curls, or use a diffuser in your hair and style as desired. It says that it's perfect for achieving ultimate body and bounce with a light hold. This lightweight alcohol-free foam helps shape and define curls while adding a boost of smoothing shine. The heat protective formula up to 450 Fahrenheit is great for wrap styles, roller sets, blowouts. Argan oil and honey added to achieve soft, radiant results. So I'm a little scared because it keeps saying soft, and I don't like soft. I like a firm hold. I like crispy and crunchy, and then I'll deal with the crisp later and like scrunch it out or whatever. But initially, I like my hair to be nice and firm. But we're gonna keep going. So I'm just gonna wet my hair down. I like my hair to be pretty wet when I do my wash and goes. And for anybody that is in the market for a continuous spray bottle, this one is so cute. It says For My Kinks, and if you are interested, it's my friend Candid Kinks, Alexia. She started a new brand called For My Kinks, and it's formykinks.com. She also has like cute little pins and clips and stuff like that, so make sure you guys check her out. So now it's time for the styling cream. I tried this product before and it wasn't my favorite. I didn't have anything bad to say, but I also didn't have anything good to say. So we're just gonna try it. It also doesn't smell very good. I don't know. Anyways. So we're just gonna add a good amount of that to moisturize beforehand. Now I'm gonna go in with the dimming brush just to make sure it's like evenly distributed. I'm like obsessed with my hair ever since I cut it. I'm always obsessed with it when I cut it. When it grow out, I be disgusted. Now for the styling foam, I'm obviously gonna go in with much smaller sections. So I'm just gonna take a section from the back and clip the rest out of the way. Now I'm just gonna shake up the foam. They don't even say do that, but I don't know, I feel like it's appropriate. Shake it up and then pump, I guess about 2 pumps. I don't know, I've never used foam to like actually style my hair, so I'm a little nervous. So, okay. So for my hair, I like to rake it. And I'm making sure that I get the product. Let's see. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of separating because it clumped the curls really, really, really good. Let me find out. And this is like, that was like super easy. I didn't have to work the product in too much because it's a foam, it's like liquidy, so it's not like thick and you gotta try and get it through. It's just like boom, and it's there and ready to go. I'm not sure how this is gonna do on my roots, but let's just keep going. Bruh, what is life? Y'all, when I say I'm sick, like I'm not shook, I'm sick. Because if I've been doing this ghetto gel, you know what, I'm gonna be highly upset if it's this easy. If it's this easy, I'm gonna be so mad. Like this is like genuine like sickness right now. Because look, the curls are defined. Let me come closer. The curls are defined. They have movement. They're separated, and it literally like took 5 minutes to do this section because it's so easy. The product goes on so easy, so this process was so quick. I'm gonna try not to get too excited because if it dries and look like crap, I'm gonna be mad. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and then come back to you guys in the morning once it's completely dry and show you guys the results. Hopefully it looks like this, because if it does, my life will be changed forever. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I am back. It is the next day and my hair is completely dry, and this is what it is looking like. I fluffed it, did my side part because the middle part still just wasn't hitting how I needed it to hit, so we got a side part going on. And this is what my hair looks like. I am so surprised. Let me give you guys, my final thoughts. So this product worked really well on my hair as a whole, but it worked even better on certain sections. So in the front section right here, I feel like the product was perfect. Around the back, just like the looser texture is like perfect with the product. Like I still have definition, even with me fluffing and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before I fluff too. I'm gonna be putting in clips of that. But definition on point. My hair is super soft. But you can see like in this area, you can see that there's some frizz, and it was like that once I woke up. It's not because I fluffed it or messed it up or anything. That's just how it was around this area. This part is a little less defined, so it didn't hold as well on the tighter, more coarser, I guess, texture of hair. So if your hair is overall more textured than mine, more tighter, like more coily than mine is, it might not work. I'm not sure, but for me, the parts that are like my trouble areas didn't work with the product as well as a gel would. Like a gel would really like make sure that it is in place, and this product didn't do that. But overall, I am still very impressed with this. Like super impressed. It dried in 3 hours. 3 hours. I have to like wait at least 8 to 12 hours for my hair to dry when I have all that gel on my hair. It just takes so long. But this product dried in no time. It didn't dry with any kind of crunch or anything like that. It was soft right off the bat, my hair feels really, really, really good. So that is my final thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you plan on trying it or if you have tried it before, make sure you let me know in the description box. And if you have any more products that you want me to review, I have more product reviews coming because I am kind of in that groove where I'm actually liking my hair, so I went and bought a bunch of products. So look forward to that. If you haven't watched the video of me cutting my hair, make sure you watch that. If you haven't watched the video of my apartment tour and my housewarming vlog, make sure you guys watch that too to get caught up in my channel. And that's all I got to say. Bye. Mwah.